What if I told you composting is nature's recycling system? By recycling food scraps and yard waste, composting turns organic material into nutrient-rich soil. This process not only reduces landfill waste by up to 30%, but it also lowers greenhouse gas emissions, protecting our planet. Compost enriches soil, enhances plant growth, and improves water retention, helping to combat drought. Imagine transforming your kitchen scraps into black gold for your garden. Ready to start? Begin by creating a compost bin at home and include items like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and leaves. Tag a friend who should join you in this eco-friendly journey.